Kayla!
Yes, mommy.
Come here.
Hmm?
What, me alright?
Yeah, yeah.
You ready to sleep?
Oh, do that.
More you go down your auntie for me.
Yeah.
But you tell her, say, me a borrow money from her, because me not nothing go on right now.
Oh, so much money for borrow?
Tell her, say, I want $2,000 for borrow.
$2,000.
$2,000. Tell her, say, I make she get it back weekend. Please. Tell her, say, emergency, me really need it.
Alright, let's see come back.
Yeah. Thanks.
Yeah. Auntie Jessie! Auntie Jessie!
Yes,
Good morning, come here.
well,
Mommy said I borrow $2,000 from your food. Buy some.
for your mother day.
She done a yard.
She had it up there.
She don't up, just left her the next time now.
So your mother let me have money in the middle.
No, she just come to go ask you, so I ask
But you
you.
just come and tell me, say, Mummy, say, Shepherd, you know, say, Mummy, say, if you have the money, yeah, you know, you just tell me like, you know, say, I have money there. It's great.
Yeah.
I lost $2,000 a $5 grand me have and I see there.
Yeah.
Tell her to me have some stuff to start with. Start this, so she can make me get it back before then.
She said she'll make her get it back week.
Alright, then.
Yeah.
Later.
You did?
Hey, what grand, bro? You know, somebody borrow 15 grand from my girl already, and she want it back now, you know, I'm short at 3 grand. They can't give me 3 grand. Me never yet can call upon you, bro, and you can't lend me a money. Yes, yes, man. She didn't even know that. I want to get to the yes, man. Stop me, you know. I'm small young girl. I need money now. Look at me. Hey, what go on?
No, I'm there.
Where you come from?
Come for me, auntie.
Where you did money?
My mother send me. The money gonna answer.
I may play one game.
What again?
Alright, no some US.
I really was, let me see. I'm a kind of artist in a life, you know.
Give me money, give me money, give me money. I really US. Here what? $20 for $1,000. Rock, paper, scissors, we are go play.
Alright.
Alright. So put it two money then. Yes, so. Yes, so we are put them. I put the phone for so they don't go away.
Right.
So if me win, me take it two money.
Yeah.
If you win, I take it two money.
Alright, you ready?
Alright.
Come on now, I win the money.
Mm-hmm.
You ready? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot! Me win you. Me win you. Give me my money.
You win,
Give me the money.
Go to one next step now. Go to one.
Come now, come.
Yeah, do one.
Hold on the money this time.
What I want this time?
Hold on the money.
Right.
Come.
Alright, all I money this time.
All of the money.
All I money this time.
All of the money.
Ready?
You ready? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot!
Bam, bam! We winning one it out. Give about one game we are playing now. I mean, winning what I money this
I'm
time.
your mother money.
But remember, you know, you win the first round, you know. And me come and win back the money.
My mother they gonna beat me. Just give me it now and next time me see me give you.
No, girl, me can't give about this. Sorry. I'm gonna pay people them then, you know. Look at more.
What am I a businessman?
Come on, man, are you fool? Let me win your man money.
What I got what me I go do, God? Don't you go tell me like no. Yes. Tell me me say and tell me the money. Mommy!
Oi.
Come here. She say she not have no money. She wish she could have helped me, but she not have no money at all. The last money she used, she not have no money.
What do you mean she don't have no money?
She said she not have no money at all.
And last week she get her partner.
Me no know.
I mean, she buy nothing with her partner. But anyways, if she says she don't have no, so my sister really deal with me.
No, she said she not have no money and she used her last money to deal with some personal business. So she not have no money at all.
Alright, I have to go think where else we can get a piece of money. Alright, go on in.
Alright.
God no. Good evening.
You know, for that dog, you just come here.
To me, you see a yard, man.
Wow.
There, I know. I say I money when me borrow me care about money.
Yeah, because me broke right now, you know.
charge your $1,000.
No, that can't work. Because when you come down for the money, I say to them, I have things to deal with. See what I tell you, I said to me, tell me these things. Me have something to deal with. So you know why I'm not doing the money? You know why?
Why?
So when you can't keep the money for me, say, I'm ready to PT. Did I? You know, come tell me, say, shop. Because whenever I come buy money from me, I'm going to everything. If you say you want 10 grand, you get 10 grand. Whenever you say, see it, yeah, I 5 grand,
I understand what you're saying, but just give me to you about weekend.
so I don't like
With
letting young girl
$8,000.
money, you know. Alright, now my sister woman, I say, you know, she come down about to shop me. I'm proud of us.
You know me and your good little friend in our community, man. I told me, as I call me, I never have the money, I need just $8 US, me have to hustle up.
So what am I supposed to do with this?
That's $1,000 more, auntie.
It no matter. You can't say I just $1,000. If I need just $1,000, you would have find it, not true.
True, you know, auntie. No yourself, man. We can make it get. Thanks again, still.
Yeah, man.
Alright, we can make it get.
Wagwan. Then you know, say I stress out, you know. I mean, I look at money.
Yeah, what go on? How much money have you?
You can't know. How much you can lend me right now? Yeah, the deal is, you can give me a 40 US right now, you know. But I'll give you back 20 penny, you know, because they want deal a good one and they short a $40 right now, you know.
Alright. A $40 alone, I think I have $45 right now. I'll give you $40. When me I get it back?
Today, man, I sit me I go deal with right now. I mean, if you have $40 US.
Alright, I'm going to make my daughter bring it come.
You man, send him right now, I'm making delay right now.
Yeah, man.
Uh-huh.
Alright. Sweetie,
Yeah.
come here. Look upon the dresser, they say you see $40. Take it up and carry go down there so go give Papa for me.
Nah.
Yeah, do it fast.
So come.
Alright, wait.
What going, bro? Well, right now, me owe my young man the $1,000 same way, bro, God. If you ever know me get the money there. Oh, little girl, when me know her mother for a long time, man. See her with a 2 grand and chick her and take away 2 grand, bro. Hold on this. I come up through there again, come like I'm a lucky day again. So, all about me, bro. What happened?
Nothing happen.
Here you go again.
Me a go Papa Pie.
Oh. Me play one game, but I don't have the money for me, and I have 200 US. But I have the money for me.
So you want to play game and no money?
Girl, I know me give money once you win.
Me pick Papa Pie money today. Mommy send me Papa Pie.
Alright. May I play a game, then give 250. So you get $50 for me.
Where you get it?
Me have the money down in my yard.
So we play the game and now. You come here with the
You
money.
come down my yard for the
What
money.
kind of game you play?
You want to do a paper scissors?
Me too like a game then, because me never lose.
Come man, my money down there.
See money I know. What you say give back again?
250 US, girl.
Make sure you have money now. You
Yeah, but-
must have money because you cannot.
You know me have the money, you know so.
Bet me money, you know.
Come man.
Come. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Father God. I'm winning now. I'm winning.
God. Move 5 for them, Move 5 for them. Father,
So the game me and you playing and me win.
every time so you dey win.
I lock me man, I lock me. Tell the mother me say hi.
No, talk about tell my mother
Tell the
no
mother
go
me say
hi.
hi. Righty. Tell the mother me say hi. See?
Tell me no hi, man.
Me dog, I me account check you know.
Hey, every day I see you.
No, we
You see you? I don't want to with you. You never can't have cost. Anyway, you borrow some money from me and I hit more right
See
now. because I want
$20,
to
see
give you.
$40 yam. Me a move so.
Listen, me no run joke. When you come on to money, me no run joke.
Remember say me always borrow from you and give you back you know man. You a move so. See I want mosquito, me clap him for you. Blood clot, me
Hey,
suck out
hey,
your blood.
make him take little blood. He can't take as much. Listen me. You stop me if you have to run on that. Take all the little youth and money and stop it.
Alright. Give me back the money since you're here. Yeah, here they see me.
Me don't like him and if you. Tell you know, one day you know, somebody going to get a good lick. Stop him man, work, look at work, top bar and then rob other people's feet.
You get back your money, don't
Yeah, we're glad to
Okay,
how long it
okay.
take me to get it back.
Just 2 weeks, man. Yeah, man.
Right, and when you tell me somebody you'll get it back, the next day. When me borrow people money, you know. Right now, me call my friend down the road, you know. And that if you can want $40 come give me right now too. Yeah. So more put everything together. I see what we have in hand. We have about 200, almost 200. So she will give me don't worry about that. She will give me 40. So we can put it on here and I check Jeffy. See if we can get a little thing too.
Lord, that's what talk about more just $1,000 in a man.
You tell me about that. You tell me say one young girl, you know, you want
I just say I walk and chat people.
no, listen, it's only a borrow from blackmail, a matter of fact. You come with a cost. You cannot walk around and borrow from people and expect them to go chatting. Because if you tell them, say, you come pay them tomorrow, they tell us your name reach out a bill road.
True, man.
You never see fighter and the whole of them from billboard.
Yeah.
I saw your name will reach for it. You feel learn, feel look at work.
True, man.
And every day we can lend them money in.
True.
Me not happy.
A good friend too, still.
See where you work.
You talk about that. You broke your number. Don't know if you can find somebody get $1 borrow from, you know.
No, you can't do them this one. You can't do that.
See me just pay back and me not even food, me now.
So why you not going to look for work then?
Now work under nobody.
No, let me teach you something. In life, me always tell myself, say, me won't work for nobody, but me I tell you the truth. You have to start somewhere before you have your own. And not, you see all them people that were rich. Some of them lucky because them born in a rich family, so they don't have to work.
Yeah.
But the one them will start it before them have to start from peanut cart and they start on walk foot.
Oh, man.
So as a young girl, you're fresh and you're young, you can, me not tell you if you can look bar work. But you can get a, well, sometimes supermarket work, not really, but you can help, you can stop a gap. You do that. And you start out to say, pay your tax. What in it, you buy a little property, when you pay off that again, you work again, you pay off that, you build a little function you can do here.
Yeah, man.
Backside, and you borrow.
You know, when I charge you, you want them a piece of money, them a ball, you don't have. You're just hard for doing, man. Money. You're just on easy, you know, bro. You know that too, you know, man.
No, listen to me, and that we don't know people. It's one time I charge people to do here, I charge one people high price. If I'm me and you, I go near spot somebody I run one here shop. If I do here for $5,000, you do it for 3,500.
True. May take your
Because you know I lose nothing. You do it for 3,500. I just want to hear you so and somebody hear you. Chung. And like say you burn all the current. You do it out a door too. You have to burn less light. You don't try to kill poor people. A girl come to do the hair and a 10 grand for the year. You tell her, alright, you what? I'll take a 8 grand for you, I'm not kill you.
Yeah.
I'll take a 7. Because you not lose nothing.
True, man.
And of your hair, or them by their hair. And the only thing you have to use is your hand. You can't charge poor people, so you charge them reasonable. If you do it, so look how much money you make.
True, man.
Yeah. But anyway, I go up on my yard because in that ambulance the pan we come out long. So, you know, long me wait, and I have to leave the yard to come down, I have to come look for you. But I go up there right now, go see if you might come.
Alright then, I'm going to road there.
I'm one, or me can. What's it to do? Oh, you just come back.
Me good on you, me tap up the rest and call my friend.
Tap a talk to one of your friend and mama send you out how long?
Me good on papa and me give papa money, but we say not to check him for today, check him for next week. So start me.
And he might tell me say today. So oh, papa they tell you different story.
Me no know, papa just tell myself to tell us if you check him back next week because he no busy. He not go there.
And go on in. Come
Yeah.
here, stand here and look at
Remember, I know check him today, no, next week.
Go on in. And tapping eyes. Can't stand here. Call papa and find out what he got. Boy, now answer your phone. Alright. I'm going to so later.
What's that? 1B, what?
Watch ya. Watch ya, 1B, which one? You know how long me want to see you?
To what?
You take me for Papa show.
Come on,
You take
man.
me for Papa. Where my money there?
Which one?
Where my money there? Boy, which money? You not tell me that, me send me that I call lend your money. What? You $40 US. And you tell me say you make me get in at the same day.
Ashley.
And you know me, no,
No,
Ashley.
listen, no.
No, where my money there?
No,
I
listen.
don't want to hear nothing.
When they call you, say me I borrow the $40 from you, tell me say you have $45 US, right? And you say I send the $40, I'm saying, hurry up. Me never get no money. Me not see no data. All my business good down.
I better see the worst side of me.
No, for
Me
it,
have
no.
people, man, me not have no lie to tell.
No,
Me send me daughter with the $40 there. And my daughter carry the money come give.
And he can give me?
Of course, my daughter get the money. After I'm not hallucinating, me know say my daughter get the money.
Are you sure they can give
Papa,
me?
and me talk to you on the phone.
Right.
Now you want me to discuss on the phone?
I hear me call you back, say me get it.
Well, I never call me back and say I get it. But me know my daughter bring the money come here.
You sure, sir?
Me sure Papa and my daughter not lie to me.
No, man, it's something not right.
I want my money, Papa. I need my
No,
money.
me-
Me tell you say I have $50 alone I have. If I can remember.
At
that was
45, you
what I
call
did.
me and tell me, I say, all right, send the $40 come. Your daughter never come up
Papa,
with it.
mosquito they bite me up out here. Me need my money.
Listen, you see, for me and you, I got your daughter and I jape him up. I asked him one more time. I did not get the $40 US through. I'm telling you see, staying there. I want girl to do
Swear
what?
upon the Bible saying again.
I swear upon the Bible, say me not get the $40 US for your daughter. I want girl we borrow, you know, go around and borrow from people. And she, me collect $40 US from where she want.
So my daughter never carry the money come here.
No.
You see me there chain. So my daughter not bring no money at all come here the day when I call
I
me
tell you,
Papa.
say, you don't give me no money. You don't give me no money. After me collect the $40 US, me go down and your sister go collect the money then when she a pull up.
Me not even know what to believe at this point, you know.
No.
But me I go to my daughter. And me go ask my daughter. You see, me find out say you the lie to me Papa and take my money.
Listen.
And me my daughter carry money come here. You not go lie to me.
Ah,
As
me
big
go
as
do it.
woman.
Me go do it.
Come on.
Come me pass me.
I'm
do it.
grieved.
Come on, walk up, man.
I
Oh,
tell me for now walk up. What's up, me grieve?
you are your sister there. You don't see that.
Top tester.
You
How are
don't see
this
that.
now?
Normally when you company they take that route there, right? But because you know say me live that route there, you come up that road here.
Oh, no.
Today I know
Yeah,
you
I
there. Two me
probably-
now call look for you. Me know I say me and your sister. Me a bigger fish to fry. Come.
No, wait, no
no,
man,
push
relax
man.
yourself, man.
Me
Come,
love
you have to go
people
pay
mix
me. No, you have to go pay me.
No, pay what?
Is
Yeah,
it
you
that-
feel
is
what?
it that you take me for joke? Ah, yes, I look at teeth.
No, you're right.
Where the money
What are the
there?
back up?
Your
How me fi be
sister.
thief?
Because you act like you don't know about my money when me talk about.
Me
You
no know about no
understand?
money where you talk about. Yeah,
You
look here,
understand
love.
your daughter? Come to me. Come borrow 2 grand.
Me?
No, listen to me, man. Me not run money joke and you know me you group
Me?
together.
Yeah.
Me take your last 2 grand give you in a girl.
All right.
And let me tell you, me know you know about the money now because this change for you come all the way up. So you
Yeah.
know normally walk you see you walk around so
Me
we
no
are
send
up
me
here
daughter
so.
come borrow
Listen
no
to me,
money
big
from
man.
you.
Listen, you see what they mean?
Just
Just
talk
send
to
your
me.
daughter come borrow me.
Him borrow money from me.
Yeah,
Me
yeah,
give
yeah.
$40. But
The
me
doctor
no
no
send me
tell no money
daughter.
come give.
Big
Me and
man.
your sister, me coulda call you and tell you say me want money.
Well, me and your sister, we have to take other road for since you know say run this, so me live a pass and say, hey,
Yes, me
roar.
did call you.
Me-
Remember, oh, remember the day when you dey talk. The day when me tell my sister say fi come borrow, my daughter for come borrow $2,000 from you.
And me give her
And
the
me your
$2,000.
sister, and you never send the money come
me
give me.
send the
And
money.
me know say you get your partner the week before. Remember?
What you mean by me not say,
liar.
no, what you mean by
No,
me a liar?
you never send the
Listen to me,
money.
me and your
No,
sister, and this
confused,
you know about
confused.
coming at this right now. Me and your sister, me don't want me to
No,
have nothing.
me
You
send-
listen to money, you send your daughter coming now. And me give her the money, me tell her, say, make me get it back by Saturday, we can have some things to do. Look a bit after that, my friend come to me where they owe me and she bring the money come and she owe me $1,000 and the money me start up my business. If I you me that way from start up my business would have spoiled.
And if
No,
I
no,
was
no,
waiting
no,
on
no,
you
no,
to start up my business is rotten.
Which
The day
business?
when me
I
tell
give
my
your daughter
sister-
the money.
No.
I give your daughter the
All right,
money.
you
But
see,
my daughter-
Something no go on,
So
something
not
go
right,
right.
brother, because me,
Yeah, me what?
You see me daughter?
Me
That
say no,
little-
instant
you
in
see
that
that
with
little
$40
bud
you
getting
come
pity-
give me.
Yeah,
When
you
me
wait
come
till
down
I
there, Theo.
Kayla, so a Kayla did?
When we come down there,
Kayla.
Theo. When we come down there,
Kayla
Theo.
no
When we say
carry no
Theo.
money. Kayla tell me say, you say you don't have no money.
I
Me
give
know
the
say
money
you
to
get
Kayla,
pan-
you know.
Oh
I
God
give the money to
Almighty,
Kayla.
I've done
You
it.
know
All
me
right.
not do that. I'm tell you something. Me not eating. I'm say anyone book me ask for money now.
You
I
see your
3
picnic
weeks now.
can't put you in a
Look how
problem.
long.
And you
You
see,
see that liquid?
I'm just telling me that
What
me
get
come
me
to my
today?
yard until I say, me now get you all of the money if we start
Hey,
up to me
wait
and
till
start
I
up
will
because
land.
call the sister for
I
the
go
$40 US
mash-
and in trick me say my
Right.
daughter and in daughter now come and walk
I
out
go
and walk the
I
whole
go
globe.
pick her up. Wait till I will land.
That's what I'm trying to show you.
Me not even can talk to you right now. To me, me sorry,
Listen
me
now,
sister,
man,
me
but all
sorry,
two
and me
talk.
sister.
Because
Me not,
honestly, me need the money to start out when you start out, you know. Actually, we have family, me not come on here long
just
time
like
now.
that. All when I see what my daughter they put me through. Mama,
Me
boy,
can't
I
tell.
love you. Love me.
Make
Me
you
I
see
go
how
to
she
my
run.
daughter.
You're not operate good as a big sister, you know. You have got job, Kayla, you know.
I'm glad you top way, you know, because God know. Me need a plan to rock Lord to office in the car, so I call long teeth for me. Me, big
Listen
man
to
at
me, man. Me
$40
don't
US.
understand what going on. And that little picture named Kayla, you know. A big girl, you know. Oh, she fed with them something there. Me
Okay.
run money joke, me work too hard.
So she really
You
come
understand?
go take the $2,000?
Yes, the girl come to me and she said, Mommy said someone said I gave her the $2,000. Last
believe
2
you.
grand me
We
have.
believe you.
You understand? And me tell her to me get back your money by Saturday. You
All
see?
right. So yeah, no. Remember, I say you'll give me a little money, you know. So make sure tomorrow when you come for you, you get it.
Listen to me, man. Listen, I run money joke. If I say tomorrow, you think me and them are the same thing?
All right. Then see you. All right.
Okay, you know. I see look a friend. I go on.
Me there, you good?
So
I go on.
I had a phone and one girl and I no money.
Me no money no but. Wait, give me a minute. Go collect one little $5 Jones. You want to gamble that?
$5. You should have $5.
Alright, let me count here. $40 US in total overall. You got 5 yards. And collect money from my mother.
Girl, if no win, you have to carry money, come give me, you know.
If you win, make your money come you. And you know, say I go win.
I want to gamble your phone.
You always win, so why you not going now?
Alright,
Gamble.
Gamble your phone.
Right.
Girl, if no win, you have to carry money, come, you know.
You want to get money, man. Don't worry yourself. Come. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Bumbuk.
Right. Phone.
You can't give you.
Listen to me. Remember me Jake up your hotel. Give me the phone. When you gamble me my money, me need to send it up in your yard.
Oh, what this? I'm just... Look, a girl. What? Can phone come now? When?
This little girl are really youth. Pick me really put her in a problem in. Hey little girl, come here.
Mommy, what happened?
Mommy, what happened? Come here. Give me this. Where you get this? Don't, me even... What the people? Me say you go borrow money and you tell me say you pick woman and no money.
Which money?
Comes you take $2,000 and go gamble or go do this or do what you do with money.
Let me tell you how you go.
What you do with money when you get...
Let me tell you how you
Stop
go.
fast. Stop up.
When we go borrow money for your sister, she did give me the money. But me and come, so I'm a long time friend them up the road. And me go gamble and lose the money, but me
Come up here so when you chat and kind of
gamble
pants.
back. Mommy,
Where your money? Where do with the money?
me go gamble it with the girl and lose everything. No left, but remember you know, me gamble back the phone, me win the phone. I say money now with papa and mommy, me lose the up there too.
Where the gamble do?
Me gamble the money.
I win the phone.
Yes, no, but it's a time
So
that
how
me
much
never...
is a phone a value? On cost.
I good 100,000, I'm not sure.
100,000.
Yeah, a good quality phone. Me say me go up there,
Don't
me go
touch it,
take
don't
it.
touch it. No talk. Because I should have kicked down your... I should have kicked you down your
No,
warrant.
man, mommy.
Don't never you do that again.
Me not do it again.
And you see this money here? Leave a look on it. I would have buy you one little sweetie or dolly something, but you have nothing to get. You have to pay a penalty for something where you do like this. That again, no talk. Don't talk to me, little girl. You have no laptop, no tablet to go on for the rest of the week.
Yeah, right.
No, you not have.
Yeah, that will be like-
I go cut out them bread there. You not go on the road again. Out order. I go sell this.
Yeah. Sorry about that. We know say the movie cut short, you know. Sorry about that. I didn't want to cut short, but you know, my time run up. So, we have to come Florida, you know, because if we continue upon the movie would have finished, but sometime I can't wait for some of the people that come finish the movie. So that's alright, you know, we'll run with what we have, right? So, yeah, Florida hot. Still want me to start back come to Jamaica, but hopefully this time change your mind and about to come to Jamaica. God bless everybody's soul down there. And the next thing, I'm gonna try to change the scenario. Drama, bun, cheating, schooling, everything. I'm gonna twist in a one. I'm gonna take time, shoot it. Sometimes it can't be me most of the time when the movie don't come out good. It's because of people that, but sometimes I just don't want to shoot it back over. I just work with it because it take a while to shoot with them. And once I get a story, I just work with it. So this time, though, I'll take the time, shoot it, and only at least post 4 a month. If I still have to do it, become perfect. At least 2 hours each week. Or we can shoot a 1 hour story in the line while the good one I shoot. But anyway, peace out. Go. It's 7. Which part? Which part would I order it? Depends on the day where they're coming up. You know, so if you reach when they are going at the time we get that. You have to check and see if you go reach in that time over there. Alright, send me where you go buy. Let me check. And then I reach in time in camp, but then
Yeah, the one day expedited.
you know I'm pay for that. Remember to pay for it.
Over here, if you don't see no ship, we ship them. We ship them probably that's yep, then that's over here something. Maybe I see.
No, I mean, I know new movie out. Hopefully when they get on your heart, you know.
Alright.
Over this so she see that? Hey. No, so me always say a pastor to do.
And me always say to the writer, so we are the writer, so.
I too do nothing, you know. That's a kind of cool, you know, from the town where I come from. So, William, can I get to know you?
No.
Why?
You see no man for me?
We can get to know you. So you seem like a nice female. I'm gonna like to know you.
You know, seems like a nice man.
Why?
Because
Why
they say that.
You can't judge me just so.
Well, it seems like a nice man, but me not really like his stalking business. You see it?
I'm not stalk you. I'm just there, so you know, we just buck up in here, we just always a buck up in each other. You know, probably something meant to happen, you know.
You tell me. If you not start me, why this 7 days per week when I pass her to some see her to so what you really there to say do?
I'm not stalk you. I woke up and say, you know, you hear me there 7 days a week, but you know, say, tell you the truth, 6 days, you know. But today I just say I go up there, so I go out tomorrow. See, you ever go out and you look nice, so I can't work here, go and just so hot every day.
So why you can't work me I go?
And just so hot.
Yeah.
So what kind of work you do?
You don't need to know what kind of work me do. Anyways, me I go about my business.
So could you give me a number?
No, I don't have no phone. I buy me one.
Buy your phone?
Yeah.
I have to give me some time.
Alright, me see you then. Cause you're ever the right person, so we'll see you.
Alright, I'm sorry. Let me see you again.
Alright.
See it? Oh. Just hurry.
You just say a stalker?
No, sir. Just have to come out the area there.
What you want?
I'll show you the place.
And phone you gonna show me?
We have an iPhone over there.
Oh, is that phone you give me now? No problem for come.
So come on. Oh, I'm tired and hot, man. Shanice! Sit right! Shanice!
Look at my ball up my name for support me never anybody knows what you say me.
Me can answer me.
What you want?
Come on lunch, come on.
Which lunch?
Ain't food in there.
Where food there?
You don't cook.
I tell you the mackerel, I not cook the mackerel. I pay mackerel in
Tired
there.
of mackerel.
Yes.
So if you tired of mackerel, look how much command fall in the yard and I run them down.
And then I can't come here for the front and come on for.
Me make you come here if you wash and clean.
I look like me.
You don't look like a maid, but
Me look like-
you're my woman, brother. You have to do it right, you know.
Why?
Me I go hunt.
What you hunting there where you do? You hunt mackerel? Mackerel with a jack of grace?
For no mackerel is nothing. Where you go eat?
That may come for ask you right now.
You go catch a common cold.
We don't want to come and fall. I want seafood.
Why come like a pig? You want what?
Seafood.
You not go look seafood man then. You don't say that take me for some idiot.
I'm not taking feed that you are an idiot.
Whether mackerel in there,
I don't want a mackerel from coming here and you mackerel. But I know jack of grace. Me tell you mackerel.
So
I love mackerel. I'm tired of them.
I'm telling you
I'm tired of mackerel. You want to go bully beef or baked bean, just spray mackerel. I'm tired of mackerel.
Every day is a problem. Can't take this now. Can't take this. Me go hot things.
I can't go back.
Say I
I
love you.
take call me out of
No one look at dinner. I'm just coming in.
anywhere you come from, go back there go yam.
I'm feeling I'm concrete.
If you want yam all the cement,
Sorry, stop playing. Go and go cook something.
give me money. I just surely go shop. Right now, if I don't seafood at pork, so give me money.
Some left money in there. Where do with the money?
Me use to buy something.
So you feed yourself, but me and nobody.
It's like you're hungry or don't hungry. The money.
Sorry. Not to buy something down for the road now.
I'm hungry.
So you know just eat something.
From morning.
Where eat?
All that you want to know?
I mean,
When me shit it out,
Say
you go
that-
looking at the toilet, you see what me eat.
you don't need whole lot of money.
Yes, we buy something, eat and drink.
How can I something that? I can't see food boy, I go take your money buy. It cost so much money. I don't tell you.
You gonna buy something for me eat? Or you gonna
You
write
go
some of
buy
the
something for
lapis?
me eat.
Remember say me hungry.
Go look about the mackerel, a food.
You go eat the mackerel and give me the money, me go buy something eat.
Can't take the problem now. Can't take this a problem.
Call me out of some good.
Listen to me, I go on the road. I go on the road, so I come back, make sure it's something look for.
No, if you don't look
If
about me,
something
why
not
you
look for
defend it?
problem, I go dead it.
Alright, go on and come, cause
Nah,
nah, look
me
about
nah,
it.
I'm
Right
not
to some here
talking.
sit down, me need to move.
Alright, let me come back here and look for it. Chinese. What's up, I'm looking at it. I have a problem you want to create. You don't know cook. Oh, sir. Chinese. Oi. Wake up. Oi, look for me. You don't look for nothing all now. All now you don't look for nothing. Hey, wait. Chinese. You better have a good answer.
Where you
now.
care
Why?
about for me eat?
I'm care back for you eat. I care about nothing for you eat. I'm care back for you eat. Me expect you to cook.
Cook what?
No must see mackerel them.
Me tell you mackerel.
What you mean you tired of it? Have you tired of mackerel? No food. That go in
Want
your belly,
seafood.
full your belly. I want seafood. Mackerel hour.
No, me no want a mackerel.
You don't want no mackerel? Oh. You know say you want a mad girl. Yeah. Yo. You don't go back on no yard.
I'm tired of mackerel. I don't want the mackerel to me now.
Stop nice, brother. I'm telling you. Stop. Yo. Stop ramping me now.
Let me go, me go, me
Yeah,
yard.
look about the mackerel.
Let me go, me go, me yard.
I'm gonna yard,
I
brother.
don't want a mackerel.
And that's how I look for.
I'm gonna eat him or you beat me.
Stop being nice, brother. Stop being like chopping.
I see I swallow up my foot.
Stop ramping me.
Isn't it funny?
One tear, Shanice. One tear. Me a try hold you and you know one hold me and I warm.
You look like me have energy.
If you don't have energy, you don't eat.
Black sugar, tough crackers.
Bro, Early morning. Are there something there to eat when you get up? Because steam in your stomach.
Black sugar, tough crackers, you want a little scrambled egg.
Today I go fry egg. You did want it? No. You say no want it.
Look,
Today, egg.
come on, cause me can't bother right now. Every day morning,
You can't
every
bother me.
day at the morning, noon and night we argue.
You ever find some problem, brother, every time? Why you love so much problem? Why? One PM problem. Every day we have to cuss?
Yes, because you take up a Barbie and want to treat me like a ghetto.
Me I treat you like a ghetto.
Me tired of mackerel, black sugar, tough crackers. Me tired of them. Me want pork, lobster, fish, shrimp.
You provide.
Mutton.
Hold on, you provide. If you accept what you
Isn't that
get,
what you made for?
Sorry, just a minute. Me no name fee. But you know no business. But me a come to you as a real, yeah? You see all of this? You work more than that. No man is supposed to treat you so.
how me I treat you? You don't know nothing about
Yeah.
it.
Want come
Me
feed
hear
me
what
for
she
mackerel.
And
Mackerel.
that with
All
when
black
people don't
sugar.
love hear people business and you go talk. You know what?
Black sugar and give me this morning with tough
You
crackers.
feel
I
better
want
than
me
that,
to
man.
eat.
You
All
can't
that give me
patronize
energy.
Since now I don't want to talk and having a conversation. I go bum this. Thank you. Alright.
No man not to treat you so, my love. Your standards was higher than that. But when you black tea
Black
hour?
sugar, Nivo tea, black sugar and tough crackers.
Oh my. That even me well looks up for me man now me them say. Left that, honestly. But me I go take my leave you now still because me no want he come back and do me nothing.
I don't even that alone, girl. From the moment me movie with him in a piece of matches stick. In a top beat me, man to cut down my back.
Oh gosh, and,
Look there,
and
look there,
you
look
really
there, look
stay
there.
with it. Oh no, do better than that. No. Why you not left? Why you have a make it stay? Why?
But me don't know what make me keep on and go back.
So you tired or something then?
It looks so.
No.
It come like him time in the island mackerel.
Do better than that, my love. It's time for you to go. Nobody not supposed to put their hand on you.
True enough. True. You have to know your word.
You're supposed to know it from day one. You never need me if you can't tell you.
Alright, thanks.
People busy in got mine, you know.
Hi. Why are you being in such a hurry?
And my sister walk well left me, and me and I go say she walk well left me.
Oh. Hey son, so hot and you have walk and miserable yourself, so?
I threw me home now and she came and get something to eat.
Oh.
So she me I look for.
Where you come from?
Oh, that's it. No, one.
Alright, say this?
Yes.
I live like you blocks down from here though.
Oh,
It just move, come here.
yeah.
You can see man like your house just fill up once.
And my house, and my sister house, master.
Oh. Say good though.
Yeah, I'm good. You good?
Yeah, no, say it look nice though. I like you know, yeah.
Give me, you don't have a woman.
No, so I'm single. No, nobody.
But are you single?
I'm single for sure.
Me not believe that one, and me believe say you have a woman.
I believe that?
Yeah.
Why you believe that? I mean, do me look handsome?
Yeah, which nowadays man you know and have no woman?
Me.
Stop tell lie you have woman. You could have beat woman too.
Listen, me don't have. Me? Me not beat a man.
No, nobody would have beat,
Me
nobody
not
but
beat.
abuse
Me
me.
not beat a man. Listen, me's a good gentleman. Yeah, me love him. Me not beat a man. But I never put me hand on a woman.
And that will see and woman dead now. Different things happen.
Listen, only if a woman draw out a man and go reach to a limit when you go touch her.
No,
Yeah.
walk away. No, you can't do that. Just walk away from
But
problem.
if you have a walk away,
Mhm.
she go want to draw you back in. That's a woman will just determine and say, oh, you have to turn us and listen to what me I say and pull you back so.
See, you don't listen to the woman and say, woman, can you talk and you walk away?
You
What
turn
you
up
do
and
that?
listen to her and say,
Yet me talk to you. So say me and you there now. I may talk to you about a situation. You dey go walk away?
but if I cuss you, I cuss me now, I stand there.
If I cuss me, I cuss you. Sit down and listen to me what me dey say. Listen to what me I
I
say.
say
You
you
know,
and go and say and you feel like you're going to lick me too.
me not put me hand on nobody boy pick me.
You sure about that?
Yes, nobody put me hand on me.
So you talk fast like you have kiss me in the mouth quick and
No.
you even see.
No, me just start cross over.
So your name?
My name is Kayla.
Kayla, your name?
Yeah, my name
Name Fletcher.
Fletcher. It sound like a thief. My name Fletcher.
Not me, I'm parents saying give me the name, they don't like some beggy.
Oh. Search what I live.
I live down your road down there, so I live now.
Oh, I don't understand me, I got still, you know. I
Oh.
go look for my sister.
Road I say I go try to do one thing, you know? We can meet again Sunday, right?
Let me meet go.
So no one get to know me. I'm say a nice female. But I like to take you out.
We'd have to see about that one day. You don't even have phone, can't take the number.
I need to bring my phone with me, you know, because I see when I go, I know. There's enough thief there somewhere, I mean, nobody come.
No thief, not up here, so.
You're sure you're just moving in a neighborhood and it's...
No, let no thief up here, no let no thief up here.
Oh,
Come and get my number, remember it's in your head.
alright,
568 28 73. Remember?
remember.
Okay, bye.
Alright, you hear now?
Yeah,
Hope you find a sister.
she not last.
Oh,
She just walk away left me.
Alright.
Yeah.
Guys, imagine to me up this how we find brother. I don't say that. Y'all drink drinks. Where you get drinks from? Who give money?
Man.
What?
A man.
Man give money.
Yes.
Yo, get up. Stop ramp, brother. Let me stop playing me out. You make man look like an idiot turn up at this and boy, you're Barbie. You're Barbie.
Sis, you can't be here really walk away left me.
Never meet you if it takes so long to come on.
But me tell me I come. No, sir. I'm the history for those things. What about that? Probably if you were me, it wouldn't work out.
How happened, sir?
I meet one guy and he seems nice.
Oh, really? No.
Yeah. But tell him lie. Tell him lie, say. Well, so if I tell him where I come from, I tell him like something with the big wall over up there. But you don't know that, me can't tell me exactly where me live. I'm telling you, I feel house and you live there, I just come here.
So you basically tell like on me then? I know
Not
the person.
really.
I know the person. What name? Not even the person name.
Fletcher.
Fletcher?
Yes. Fletcher, he said me.
I don't know no Fletcher.
Well, me don't know, you know.
I know, but I feel you're a big woman now, boy, you're going to meet new person, you come and tell. Remember, say, maybe bigger than you, and that become bigger than you by 1 year.
And 1 year apart, a year, 1
Yeah, but still, you're a kid. You're not ready for a man.
Oh, me not really me have a little boyfriend. Me old school, you know, me not go to school.
Just make sure say you can sustain it and you're living.
Money is not everything. Money is not everything. If I'm hungry, I don't even know him like that. We don't even know if relationship doesn't work.
And you don't know him like that and you see that tell him which part you live, how the part they go.
You hear me tell us what I say?
Yeah, but you basically tell one like suppose he come and look for you over that day, yeah, they know and go find out whatever.
You know, find out whatever.
How you know that?
We don't even think he know me. I don't know. I don't know. Me just attack somebody. That's why I'm glad I never did it.
You're not really smart for that one this day, but as I say, you have to know what you do. And next time don't tell no lie, say your sister own up with saying when they say so don't own now. That's not good.
So that we know we want to.
Yeah, but you can't carry no man come here unless he might come here to renovate here. No, apart from that, he cannot come here. And try, if he come here, try to let me know.
What do you mean? I bring him come here.
You know, if you come here overall, so you're supposed to know that. I don't need to put that in your ears. Come on, man. So tell me more about you. Give me a brief description.
I want to tell you something. You're twine up. You kind of thickish, but in short. And you're twist up.
You have beard?
Yes. Oh, you're the right answer, yes. And in black. You know, brown and black.
You know, say me literally pass one man and they come up beside argue with the woman one day for that the same man they attack.
No. If you want to say you don't have no woman.
Oh,
single.
The lady all tell me about how the man beat him and so like my energy just changed from the man right there and then. Me I say he's not supposed to do that.
So the man beat him and he said with the man?
Yes, but
the man can't beat me.
Listen, sometimes we just don't have no other way out. Because she even look like she have no family members that can guard her in the right way.
So she look back her yard.
I asked her that she said she'll go some bag or something. Right. I don't know yeah, what to tell her. But make sure you say you don't pick up no man and say so. I want to meet this person where you claim to say you meet today. And see
Yeah, like a nice person.
and if me feel him out, I don't like him, I go tell you. I won't tell you nobody feel no way, I just my opinion.
No, I'm not feeling away. If I don't like him, I don't see a problem. I'm telling you what they would even have me.
You with a you can't come at my house over the party go.
Him have a yard, make a yard.
Just don't let me know when can make you there. Well, not you know what mommy you know me say so because
Yeah.
I'm older than you, so obviously I need to put the code. Yeah.
But this one, I don't know what I'm going for. Never been number, which is.
So I'm not gonna do them. Oh, you just
I just know I mean live in the area. I go back on the road. So
you
go back
live
on
in
the
the area and the first year I meet him and look how much time which have about there, so how the party go.
But every time I go, I say,
You sure no lie, I tell you?
Me no know if I lie, me just know me no know nothing about him, you know.
Come on, I need to be more smart. The teacher better than this.
If you know what me I got, me no know. You just me I got look for it coming home.
Alright. Look at food you left back in my house, I can't just see it here. I carry some come here later.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
Kenny,
Yeah.
I have to tell you one more. You know must know one more.
And if God give you people mind for read, you can read it. You can't read them and say that you talk, you love me alone.
Kenny,
Me I take breeze.
look on the yard. I could even rake up the yard.
Me come here for do that.
Man.
Me did come here for real, yeah.
You know there. You know live here.
Nope. Me only sleep here. Not even near me, near me.
I think look at tea and make crack and give me.
No, no, you are never feed.
You know say. You come like you like when me do things. I like when me do things. Because every day I talk about this and you still do it over and over, you know, learn. Me I talk to you, look for me when I talk to you.
And if me not look, juke them out.
I think you took out the eye them.
You
Stop
me
playing
have
me.
strength now, you hear? Me
You
have strength now.
You strength.
Me not
You have
hungry
strength.
again. Me
You
belly
have
full,
strength.
don't lick me.
Stop the fucking from when I talk to you. Stop ramping me, you. Stop ramping me, yeah. Yo, me I go up on the road now, you, and make sure it's look both in. You hear me say? Stop the balling, brother. Me get nothing for ball for. Yo.
Got me hard.
Go with yard. Go with yard. I have to yard turn. I know that. Let me come back in there. Anywhere you go, me, I'll find you. You hear that? No, see the one.
You girl. My name not you girl, my name is Vera.
You never tell me.
What happened to you?
Beat me again.
Me not tell us, listen, it's either you left or you go buy a casket. Can you hear me I tell you? And me tell you from before me give you a little advice what happened to what me tell you say. Oh, oh, we came gas station? What you want to do?
You can move on.
Come on, I'm follow you go back and place or what? So what you mean by no? You go stay? You alone are go through pressure again in go lick when you know say you move out, so what you go do?
I'm gonna move on in Ghana work.
I'll be crying. Everything's gonna be tired. Come out there, son, because I have to go teach you 2 ropes again. Alright? So you see you go do. Okay,
Boy.
when you leave out, make sure you say unaware, you know? Or at least you have a look at escape people or something or nice sleep. And you can always lick him back when he must sleep.
Big and thick and
That's why I say when he must sleep, he now go already take one pot cover and cloth him done. All of that is supposed to do. Not making you feel like he have too much strength over you as much as he's bigger than you in a body. Alright? Make sure you say no and just come say no, make sure you say you understand what I say to you. You want to take my number or nothing, say nothing, you can call me and tell me.
Piece of phone and buy me and take it back.
No man, this I get from bad to worse. For seeing now feed a good and everything in buy him and take it back with me. Mama man where him be so. No, I want him to your family, you know nobody where you can call her. No. Oh gosh. Give me a hug. Right now, I feel sorry for you. Say it, go, yeah? It's alright. So, what you did I have to?
That good on your road.
Alright, come and me follow you so that's if you can't trouble this. Listen to me now. Me find something down the road, right? I don't want that happen to you. So hear me, I tell you, see whichever party I go, me I go to the back of your PP clock. Alright, come I don't want no man to beat you and abuse you and go like they want to come take advantage of you. And make sure you see you hear when me talk. Can you see when you first tell me about this time and you go on.
How me that go on?
Still about how you did not go on. As me I say, make sure you say never time I go somewhere you tell me because I don't want nobody to go on like they want to come abuse you. All of them something they wrong.
Nobody don't abuse me.
How you know that? Because I know you can't introduce me to the person where you so-called me with you. And I know say no been at all. Suppose I said person that the girl they say I abuse him or something. Actually, you don't even know how I feel if you girl when I see girl a ball and everything.
I don't him.
How you know that for sure? And
Can't
he said,
say I'm not a man.
listen, you can't believe a man say, me have more experience than you know when me hear you need to listen. Because it's like everything I go through 1 year and come out through other one. And if you understand, say you love me, love and I protect you, that's why me have to behave so with you.
Yeah, but you just coop so they short off for me. They have
Because I feel upset over the whole situation with the girl. She don't have no type of guidance. And I know say me there you feel and you don't want to listen to me when me talk.
Well, I share the idiot, not me. Me also nobody beat me. Anybody beat me, I beat them back. My hand up on it, my mother. I beat them back.
Listen, before you retaliate, you can't tell me I could go down a station together. Because I don't want you get in a no form of danger or anything like that. I don't want you get in a no trouble, alright?
Yeah.
All my thought just don't say, look me and look out for you. You don't have no problem if you have a little boyfriend, but I don't want them put their hand on you or nothing like that. Because when a girl I go through, it's totally wrong.
As me say, nobody now put no hand on me.
Make sure now you not just tell me if me feel good. Because it's a
No,
different
why
story
me
when
go
me hear say
hide?
I get licked.
Why me I go hide? I'm not hide. If a boy think them bad put their hand on me, they will be sure what me made of. Me not say nobody but abuse me. I'm just me have you. If the boy beat me, I say me can't fight him, I come call you. You better back me. If I you would have back you. Because you come and say come to must stay back on me PP clock. So like you back on me PP clock, nobody cannot beat or abuse me. Because you did the PP clock.
No, here's the thing. If you listen to me, you're not going to go into the situation in the first place. Because I would have done tell her, they say, alright then, this person you're not good, so just stay far from them. So
Okay.
you would have had years make it go and get the let them and come to me to help, for help. Okay?
Yeah, me can go show him. Me can go show him.
Of course, I want to meet this so-called person who you've been a talk to.
Okay.
Why more do one know who?
Okay, come on.
Come.
Sir, how are you? How are you?
Me I go home.
Back home. How will you come like you're mad? Go with home.
My home.
You tell us you can't live. You tell us you can't live.
I'm going home.
You're not going nowhere, brother. Brother, I want to you. Where I go? Where I go?
Let me. Because right now,
What?
me know a station there.
You have to go and sorry.
I'm going home. And even if you develop me, I'm still a God station. Bye.
So go to station for
The abuse me, abuse me.
police. They are there. Can't let police come to me.
Why you boy?
River, you come food. You come to wash. You go. You move like say. Yeah, what?
Shut up.
Yeah, you virgin football.
I don't know what kind of son God give me. Say you and your sister. You can come down. I said you can manage your home.
Your mom tell say, me need want come on the river for a man. No. You can't do it by yourself. So the way you want me back at you. Me what? No, brother.
You're the only man in my life.
Hey, me do.
You must have back at your mother's
I'm not
side.
in your life. Listen, me in your life, lady. Me do in your life. Me not in your life. Never want to come in and say in your first place. Never want to come in and say.
You talk about that and you talk about that. Just make sure so anytime I done wash and make me money. You know, not for eat after. I never get none. Not for eat.
What you say? Say you try to tell me, say now you going to stop me. Hey, you see, if me come home and I don't see no food for me, hey, they kill you. Hey, I will beat you. Hey, on your head, me I tell you. Hear me I tell you? I will make sure so me come home and get food for you. Hey, I will beat you. Hey, take some mommy you want. Every time mommy you want, carry like you. Eh? Want to my sister, you can't come to.
Look boy, I'm telling you this.
Shut up,
I don't remember what scripture say. You must obey your parents so your days may be long. I'm gonna think so you're gonna live long neither. Rank and feisty. Like a bad breed pooper.
Marcella. Yeah, man, you deal with the thing here? Yeah, man, I down for the river. The river I'm sure it's another buy, man. The piece of property where the river is from. Marcella, I'm soon call about. Like somebody have company property already. Alright, yeah. Hello?
Hi.
You know, this is a private property, right?
Well, if I never know at least, I know now.
I own this property.
You do?
I own this property here.
This property?
By law, I own the land, but I won't try to own the river. But you know, exactly you have to walk on my property to come on the river.
Okay.
But she already me not really charge it through, so you don't wash at home, you don't water at home?
Well, sometimes. Just a little washing job, you know?
Oh, so you get any kids?
Well, yeah. A son and a daughter.
Oh, so how is it, how old is the daughter, matter of fact?
She's just 17.
Wow.
My son is just 15.
Like. That sound good. That sound good. So can I come over sometime? Get to know you better?
I don't know. You want that?
Listen. You know if you the one that I asked me one, listen. I want to take care of your bills. I want you to come to the river and wash. I want to get you a washing machine. Pay your well living. Own house or rent house.
Rentals.
Exactly. I can pay your bills.
I just see a stranger and want all those stuff for me. You're that kind?
You don't worry about
For
that.
real?
An angel like you. Yeah, definitely. I'll do anything for you.
So where you go want in return? God, men these days, them not so kind. Them not so kind. Them ever look something in return.
Yeah, by right. Me understand that. Me understand. Everybody shall get what they want in return. You don't expect a woman to your mouth a man. And the man can't get nothing out of the woman. It's either the woman has to work for the man, or the woman has to give the man look like the cookie in the jar. You're looking?
Cookie still the man.
Oh.
So you have a girlfriend?
No, I'm a single man, you know.
I'm single too, you know.
For real?
Yeah.
So you can start come to the yard and meet the kids and see how they look and things, you know?
Alright.
So hold on, do you have a number?
Yeah.
So give me a number now.
Alright. You ready?
Yeah, man.
1876
Mm-hmm.
219
Mm-hmm.
3727. My name is Jane.
Okay, Jane. So
What's your name, by the way? Let me get your name.
I'm David
David.
with the M. David Money. Why you laughing? No, for real. Why you laughing?
Oh God, you made my day. Yeah.
No, don't laugh, man. Cause listen, let me tell you something. You see, my mother loved my father so much, and my father left him when he in her belly, you know. And my mother still go put me in her last name, you know. So you know what me do now? When my mother tell me this story, I go pay some money and change it to money. I put my last name as money. I'm not keeping my father's last name. If you want to go left me in her belly, you're not supposed to be my father. Money is my father. Money is my lover. So if you want to enjoy my money, just come to me.
I'm feeling handsome. I still feel like money the funny.
Feel it. Yeah. Like it.
Yeah, like
More know your daughter do still, yeah? So I'm gonna come visit you.
You want to know my daughter?
No more see how big she be. I think your phone is
Oh,
ringing.
phone, please, to put the emergency call. Hurry.
I have a meeting to go, okay? I'm gonna wash my foot. Get out of it to wash my foot.
Hello.
I'll visit you soon, okay?
Alright, honey. Mr. Money,
Yeah.
you gonna call me?
I'm gonna call you.
Alright. Hello. Slippery. Ah. Who that? Come in now. Well, close. Come on.
Where's that one now?
One day for watch man. Nobody a call you go move forward one place, you know. You just come.
Have a seat?
The seat, they show me bed. People don't sit down on bed.
Sure, I just gonna pay parking. Parking talk. So that right so.
Alright.
Have a seat.
Well then tell them to check you, but you know my last name, right?
If I know your last name?
Yeah, my last name is Wealthy. Right? Wealthy. Yeah. So before I was in, so I say go on, you know. Then tell me say you have something to sell. I will try, we don't know. We not like the talking. We not talk. But what? Is it combo? Why
Well,
so much man out of do our work, but I don't like one place. Listen me, I don't want to make no noise in here, I mean make no noise and the out of door listening. Be a chatting out the door. I don't like it.
don't let them. They're
Alright,
outside
anyway.
minding their own business.
They know me?
No,
Hope so.
I doubt it.
I don't want my name go back round because I'm a man of stature. People look up to me. Yeah, they look up to me. So you know what? Because your business, the business that we are doing, people are talk about it, say, yeah, go on something around here. So I don't want them to say, oh, me I come around here too. Someone just do me a go and cut. So how you go? What price?
Alright, price start from all the way at 10,000 upwards.
No, I'm not talk 4 women one time. I talk you alone. You alone me talk. I know say when you have multiple women, you go up to that price there. But
I said it's 10,000, we can always negotiate. If you have maybe like 6,500, 7,500, that can work. But my price is 10,000, the minimum.
Alright, listen me now.
Says either that or neither.
What you gonna do? How about you have 10,000, much zero behind it? 1, 2, 3. Much zero, 3, 0, and 10. Wait now, now I said, I have a math spray now. What about you knock off 2 of the 0 them? Half I, no knock off 2. Knock off, if you knock off 1 and 0 then, how much you end up with? That have too much too. If you knock off 1 and 0 then, and then we can talk. Because I come here, but normally the girl them want to come a bridge at 1,500. So carry down to 1,000.
Excuse me?
1,000. Because end of the day, you will feel good. If I have to give you some money and you just bring your teeth and say, I like it feel good, you have to make my money. You don't feel good in my process if I pay you. So anyway, start at 1,000. So here what? Look at that round place. I will keep my money until later in the night. I go to the bridge.
No, let's wait here and just stay. It's fine. You're here. Let's just mess up.
I can come for the bed work out something, man. Come in, man.
This one.
Alright. Bargain is a bargain. It's 1,000. It is a little more because you do the extra things then, but anyway. Lovely fuck. Give a card, so. It's $350. Right? So you know. I owe you the balance. Me balance it. Yo, I'm a man of my word, I'm Mr. Wealth, right? I balance you. How much money now? I don't know much. 7,775. How much no, I can't do this. No money no package. Normally as somebody on the bridge, I owe some of my time. But I pay my bill. I'm very good on never ask. My name speak for itself. Go down there ask. So
the first time you're stopping, the first time you're home.
That's good business.
So when I told me before.
Listen now, business is business and pleasure is pleasure. You cannot mix business with pleasure. You're mixing it here, so can you give me pleasure and doing business at the same time? It's not a good business. But anyway, see you have more client there. So you use this here, fresh up yourself by Fabudi and whatever, soap wash out, wash out, turn it down. When them see how people are calling it, more than people are calling it. No, but you know, listen to me. I go get
You're very disrespectful.
This year is not your payment. So see how old Pakala. More than 1,000 come here differently. This is free. But I will carry 1,000 come here. Yeah? Yeah, hurry. Just do your thing. Yeah, you're going good. You're going good. Alright. I don't understand why I have to walk.
I couldn't meet the kids down at the front. Or they are not here.
One is here, by the way.
Who, your daughter? Oh.
I sent her in the room to do a little errand for me. My son is inside.
No. No, I feel so. No, don't. It's your daughter more, isn't it? Everything good, no?
Well, not really, but me just there go and live.
Live like how?
Live, just live.
Every time you see your wash. You have money?
No, me just the wash work.
Oh, you do wash work?
Yeah, remember when I meet me, they met me by the river for one thing, remember?
Meet you by the river.
Someday.
Yeah, man. Oh, if you're holding man, though, you have young panty. Or a perfume wash work.
It's mine, man.
Wow. So, when I'm gonna get to meet your daughter, I wanna see my stepdaughter, you know.
You want to see the stepdaughter?
Yeah, I want to know her. I can't be hiding every time I come here. If I'm at the box, it's like, we don't understand. Why? Why can't meet the family?
Everything takes time. Every single thing in life takes time. Even sun and darkness take time sometimes.
Okay. I understand. I understand definitely. I understand, you know.
So what's up?
I'm here, you know. Children, so much going on though differently. Everything good?
Well, as I said, not really. Not really, but I'm still alive and well, as I can see. No pain. You understand me? Not really 100, but things could be worse.
Okay. I like that. So, can I stick around till the doctor come or?
Why not? Why not? Why not?
I can go later inside, you know. Oh boy. I wish I did younger, but that's not gonna feel, you know. Morning, Jane.
Morning.
So your daughter, there you go.
Yes, she's inside. What's the problem?
Alright, I come to talk to you because it seems like You know, really understand me. You know. As me I say now, your daughter, you know, so she would definitely want me, don't want you.
What? You pull a joke. What I mean by, is my daughter I definitely want, you don't want me? What's that supposed to mean? Huh? What's that supposed to mean?
Listen, you're too old. I rather wait till the daughter 20. I rather spend money on her until she's 20, then me and her go live together. I'm in my 25, what may I do with you? If I was in my 32 now, I would take you up. But when I'm in my 25, you have to leave me to the younger ones. When I'm 32, I would decide to take you up. That time, if you were like 58, 59, 60, and I'm at 32, that could work. Because at least I'm half the age. But you double me. You understand?
Well, there's nothing here to understand. First of all, my daughter is a child. And for you to get my daughter, that seems impossible. So it's either you take me, right, until whenever you want her, you get her, or you just forget about it. Can be done so we have to have about some old. Age is just a number. Age is just a number. It's about maturity. My daughter is out of this. So if you want me there so. Me there right here so.
Huh? Alright, here I know. More or less, you see all these bills, the water bill, the light bill, the rent bill, food bill, Santa Claus bill. So when they have sense, you call me, because more know why you don't use your head before you talk. You know, I know work. Remember saying, no, you have to just tell 1 and 2 6 for the side, you know, and that not help because of $1,500. I broke. That not help. You have to go to 20 man if you can pay them the bill there. And by the time you 2 man you pop down because you're old. So you know what? When I send you call me for.
Alright, come here.
No, we can't talk now.
So I'm gonna call them, we don't have a number. How can I style that?
Morning, Mom.
Morning. Want
I drink tea though.
my favorite coffee, black coffee.
Oh, babe, me come beg your money still. Cause the money for company will buy my girlfriend something.
You want a what?
Money, I want some money.
You know, you're wicked. Sometimes I can't even find food for you and your sister to eat. Much less you have the audacity, but you want money to buy something for girlfriend.
Oh,
Yeah, you're not 15, 16.
You must give me some allowance.
First of all, you don't need a girlfriend. You don't need a girlfriend.
So me need.
You don't need a girlfriend.
So me need.
You need Jesus.
You need Jesus.
I don't have any money. I don't have it. But girlfriend.
I bet if I she comes to like yard.
What? Forgot mine, man. You look at head.
So.
Just go and go sweep up the yard. The place won't clean. I don't say that.
Alright, Mom. Come on, reason now. Right? You did plan for me? Because I see you as a young youth, them with feed them woman. Right? I do feed them thing with feed them woman. And me, no have no woman. So I'm not special, I'm not somebody picking it up. I'm not somebody picking it up.
You want to know the truth? No, me never planned for you. One night, me I come in from church, and me say this black ugly man, I demand my body, and me say no. And he just hold me down and take it and just jump out just like that, like Aki Peg. Me never planned for you. Me never want no more pitney. After that one, the papa breed me never want no more child. So you just appear. Me never planned for you. But say your friend this and other people this time about girlfriend. You can't even spell girlfriend. Those things are expensive. Leave it alone to manhood. You're a child. You can't mind woman. Woman expensive. Very. I look for me too.
That you talk about you. My father, a bad man, so he running in blood. You see, hey, I will beat you, see. No matter if your mother, hey, I will give you some money, you see, woman, no blame me, you know. So if anywhere you find the money from, you go find it. Rent house, I will burn it down. Yeah? I will burn down every last side. You can't find money, hey, don't blame me, no lady. Don't blame me, you know. Alright, we done chat.
And that, burn it down. Since you build it, and you are parent, burn it down. If I think you're bad, if you think you're bad, try it. You must be sick in your head. You think you burnt me? Are you burnt me? But lick. Look boy. Go on, get up, go on the saw. Get up, get up.
Don't touch me.
Get up, go tidy the kitchen.
Tidy which kitchen? You look at it? Hey, lady. Hey, emergency are you this, right? You say never lose emergency are you this. Hey, look. Hey, I'm stepping on your face, as a woman. Hey.
You know?
Let me. Stop playing me now, man.
What is not this? So because of one woman, you have to step in him. Because of one woman. What a sudden destruction.
Let's play screen now. Cushion down for your face.
Hey! Like father, like son. Amen. Morning. Wow, what good. Boy, not really, but.
I'm telling you, since my brother and I was partying there.
Damien, girl, that piece of trash, I can't describe him. Him just left from here. The boy come here, want come in and talkings with me. Want come fight me up in the but never mind that. What's up with you?
You know, see something I can check about though. I have SBA come up. I'm gonna need chef hat, I'm gonna need apron and something there. Roughly 120 grand everything will cost. And kind of feel hungry and now want something to eat.
Boy, to be honest with you, Brittany, things very hard. I don't really have the money now, but I'm gonna try my best so I can get the money. So just give me like few hours up to 2 days time so I can just put 1 or 2 things together and get to the money. I don't have a payment now, but me work on it.
Yeah, talk about 2 days time. Today is Saturday and on Monday I want something to do. I have to get them by Monday. I'm hungry right now, I'm not eating nothing for a morning. Matter of fact, from last night I didn't eat.
Right now, I don't really have anything in the house. I just piece of pumpkin and yam. You can eat it with Hyle, or if you want sardine did it.
Yeah. I don't want to eat. So I want to the rich man David.
Alright, so David know that man, after I'm always a come here and I give him money and stuff like that and his attention. I sort of think say I want me in a girl, but him come to me one different last week, as a matter of fact, and confess say him no want me, I'm too old for him. Him say you him want my daughter. Him say him interested in you. So me I say you're too young, as him can see. So him say we'll wait until about 20, till that 20 so him can maybe talk to you or whatever. So you can have sex on him something like that.
You're too old, but mommy, that is true because I think I'm around 25 or so. And you're old, you're very old. You can't live with such a young man, mommy. I don't want my stepfather so young. No, sir, that can't work. You're too old for that, mommy. You need to get an older man.
Alright, now about me and my age. Let's just think about the future. Him say I want you, right? And right now, we want money. So you can talk to him. If you even don't want him, just pretend. I remember say I always want to become an actress, you know, so talk to him and get some money and think about your future. Because I always go to college, you know. Or if you don't want that, as time goes by, we can always just ship a girl for him now if you know that. You can stay with the auntie. Better life for me and you and your brother, all them so rank and pasty.
I mean, I don't want to become like a you because all they do a con man money. I don't want to con the man him money. Take him man money and I don't want him. Mama doing something that don't nice. Because in the longer run, I come and stay like a you. You're there, you no sit down, you have no money. If I can man stay saying I turn it down. Then turn it down, man. I don't want nobody have nothing about me. Or nobody have nothing over me. Chabba me condemn and me this and me that. No. If me want the man, me want the man. And me want him. Me don't want con him. Me want him. Me don't have a relationship with him.
Yeah, come talk about you don't want to be like me and talk about me can man. And them can me. Can you imagine say, oh, me I try to get employment. It not working. They must say, oh, man, have the looks. A girl like you, they want to in them facility for employ because you're pretty and you're beautiful, my daughter. Me go through much schooling. High school with much subjects, including maths and English. Gone nursing school, teaching college, and yet still nothing. Them know what employ me, them say me have the looks. Me have the qualification, yes, but nothing behind that. Me just there, you come talk about say me a con man.
Mommy.
And them a con me. Them a con me.
Mommy, it's not all about the looks, okay? Look here. Maybe I want to deal with people. Because you deal with people bad. You face the body, you rank. The man tell me say, you, Damien take care of her, don't father. Mommy, you just need to understand. Me don't say truth hurts you, but if you go hurt you, if you go hurt you. You have to understand and learn, mommy. And I want something before Monday. If I not get them, I don't know what I go do. Unless I go there with the rich man and move out to your house.
If you want to move out, or move in, or in out, I don't really care right now. You say you want the money, I said to you, I'm going to work on it so I can get the money before Monday, by Monday morning, 2 days time at least.
Look here, please.
So if you can't wait, you just can't wait.
Me can't wait. Simple as that, me cannot wait. And since I want to move out, I want to move it, I going to move out. I'm not going to stay with it because of feasty. After me, I plan future for me and you so you can have a better life.
What way you plan future? What way?
Forget money, so I can take care of you, but you too feisty, I can't talk to you, mommy, later.
Why you can't feisty can't go on?
You can't talk to you right, and I see you have a suffer.
The blood of Jesus against you, girl.
Against you, not against
you. Go on, shut my mouth.
Don't shut my mouth.
Because I reached 17, I think so you're an adult. You're a child.
I don't care. You're the mother is supposed to provide. I want to send me go there with the rich man. The rich man provide for me. Don't do it.
I'm not saying you, so you have a choice. You can. I'm not saying you.
Hello?
Hello?
Yes?
What's up?
Then, oh, James,
What?
James?
Yes, she same one.
So you want more like you want sound young so?
What?
You are trying to sound young so?
Alright, more want to talk to you. It's very urgent. You understand?
Alright.
You can come over the house now?
I'll be there in a sec.
You sure?
Sure, man.
Alright, don't keep me waiting.
Alright.
Alright, cool. What is it?
Alright.
Let me call you back here. I have a visitor.
Return visitor, no return son-in-law. So I go on differently. You make up your mind?
I have good news. I've been thinking about the offer and I think it's a great idea. You understand? My daughter normally likes slim guys, you know, so you can try your luck. She should be inside. We can call her out if you want to go into her room and talk to her and so and push your luck. You can always do that. But I wish you all the best and you have my blessing.
Boy, you finally make a great here tell her the right thing, right? No, I understand. So when I say she not know.
Yeah. But one more thing though, between me and you. I can tell you?
Sure.
Alright. You know what I say? I'm single. I know you want this, so don't worry about that.
Oh, come
my
on.
daughter.
No,
I know
no.
you want.
Yeah, man, you're
I
single.
graduate from your rejection long time. You know what me? Me no want you.
Right.
I'm single and need a man. Somebody sensible. You understand? I'm single and I need somebody.
A man in them 40s, right?
That's a good age. You can work. I'm a normal attracted to older guys, but if a young guy come, I'll work with it.
No. Young guy, not gonna work. Unless them in them 30 years. But for now, 40 will work for you. You already agree. You can't take a young boy. Can you manage a young boy?
Why not?
A young boy will shift your organs.
Alright, I know my daughter, you will talk about what you're saying, or my son. So, I'm going to call her for you, but before you do that, my dad look a video with me, so I can post it, so person can know I'm single, so I can make it a look man. I don't want to use a phone. Now, your phone now?
I use your phone because I don't want it on my phone, you know. So when you're ready,
I'm not saying turn the other way.
what I'm making you look like in your 20s or in your 50. Yeah, let me see, so yeah. Alright, speak.
Hi, my name is Jane Lewis. I've been single for the past 6 months and I need someone. So if you're single and need a female, you can reach out to me. I'm attracted to dark guys, but it doesn't really matter right now. I just need someone who will love me for me and be there. So if I want to reach out to me, my number is 1876-219-3727. That's my number. So just call me or WhatsApp me and let's just stay in touch. I really need a man. Single. I'm a good woman as well. Alright. Bye. Peace.
You know what is a lie? You single for 6 months? 6 years you're single for. What is? Hey, call out the daughter. I can't believe you.
Brittany!
I can't believe you.
Brittany! Come here, my daughter. Emergency! Come now.
No, do it. Don't do that.
Yeah. Hi.
Wow. Look pretty nice, your mother do it.
Thank you. Open your door.
What? So your mother tell us to have me a new man, right?
Well, not about her right now. It's about me.
Okay, I'm here to take care of your needs.
Should I leave or should I stay?
No, come on, let's go in.
I'm gonna stay.
Mama, daughter. Happiness.
Where's the money? So, where brother?
My brother is there for a win.
So, I guess your mother tell everything, right? They're going to take care of you until the 20, then we'll move you out.
Yeah. Well, shut up about me like that. But otherwise, from that day, we can't know our relationship. I'm the business what she wants to say, about we, not about she.
Okay, no problem. So, and the things you have to take care of, you just write it down and I will deal with it.
Well, I have something I want to take care of still. I need an apron and chef hat and something for go to school Monday, which today is Saturday. And I need them by Monday. Mother she can't afford them.
So, how much it cost?
Roughly 20 grand.
Oh, no problem, man. That's cheap. Because the last girl tell me, they have 50 grand for them,
50?
50 grand.
And it include me fear or something. Me fear in it.
No worry. You see, you tell me the honest truth, I'm going to give you 30 grand.
Okay.
So you take care of that. So otherwise, you're going to eat for morning.
I wish.
Right?
No, at all.
Alright, I'll give you $5,000 to go and buy food at a restaurant and eat.
Okay.
Otherwise than that, so I think I'll leave my wallet in the car, No worry, everything good. I have my wallet with me.
Right.
So, is there anything else?
No, we good friend, otherwise from
Alright.
Yeah.
And your brother suck we?
No about that.
I come here one morning. When I used to know your mother, you know, and I sit right in there and I get my backside wet. So that's how I find out.
So that's it there, because room would have rain right now. One room would have rain.
So, I'm gonna go outside in the car and get the money, you know.
Alright.
And come back. Jen, I respect you for that, you know.
Alright.
I respect you, Jen. I appreciate you for that. Where are you?
May I come? No, cause. Sure.
Alright, that's you're being safe, you know?
Yeah.
Alright, so.
Hey.
That's cool, right too.
Thank you.
Alright, so I want to see my way out. I want to talk to you, man. I feel cool. Alright, take care.
Alright.
No have no man.
No.
That's all. It's the one thing I know, man. Everything cover.
I won't.
Okay.
Alright. Can I go to my friend in my school and go?
Alright, Jim. I tell you the truth. I feel like that one that go work. You got to like me already, you know?
She like you?
But I'm sorry, if I did young now, I could have given you some of me.
No worry about that. Just pray for Mrs. Mother reach out to me.
I'll pray for you, you know, because
I really need a man.
you need 100 prayers, and me alone can't pray. You have to pray for yourself. Never you let people pray for you, yeah? You have to pray for yourself mostly. You can't ask me if I pray for you, you know. Me only can give you a little advice. I can pray, but you have to pray for yourself more. Because me can pray one time and I remember you. So you have to pray. What are you looking for? Me need that every money I have in my wallet. I have to go to the bank. Don't look at me, Jane. Jane, you're too old. I am paying the bills, that's all. I'm buying food in here. I can't give you pocket money now. The pocket money go to your daughter. Anything she need, she get more. Me make a video for you, publish it. You go find a man, and a man guy want you. A dark skin guy say you want? No problem, I'm not a
dark skin, tall, preferably.
Don't use my height, because it won't be me. But anyway, dark skin guy, yeah, you don't get that.
Thanks for coming. You know, look bad.
Sis.
No.
This is the cologne.
Which cologne?
My cologne.
No?
You can't find me.
So I ask you.
You know, say, me see. The people don't know, say I carry money all the time.
No, mind your business. Mind your business.
Mind your business. Now tell mommy. Sorry, you forgot the mommy already. I collect money after each one for you already.
But I chat too much.
That no say.
You need to mind that one business now. You.
That no say you can't.
Keep by your mouth.
That no say. You can't carry money in the place. I know say mommy already I do something for you already.
What happened is no man? Must carry can't get no girl.
You can't satisfy.
Carry can't get no girl at business. So don't say nothing.
You go this one.
You go by the shop. Where's the name? Okay, you're back. Siya tell me to call this unpacking. Baka pwede. Kaya mas How many day I wear the last shoe?
What the fuck?
Watch me.
Are you good to hide my cologne to your young thief? They are thief, you know.
Don't call me no thief. Don't do it.
Are you good to take my cologne?
Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't like it.
Could always get a dirty fuck man too.
You tell us a dirty fuck man. You can't tell us a dirty fuck man. Boy, stop all argument with me. I'm not in with you here. I'm not in with you. Don't want no argument with me. I'm older than you. Older than you.
When I call you, I'm calling you.
Shut up.
You pick up on you.
Don't watch up. You're not on business.
I'm no business, yes.
Avoid me.
Cool, I don't cry. Where is this all down?
You know, some sick and tired. I'm going to tell Mama something I want to tell with you. You have to be no friend, baby.
I don't want to tell you.
My mouth feels swell up. I can't really chat good.
No, man, it's not what I want.
Yeah, fuck chat though. I hope I can defend you. Who that?
Eric.
I'm going to huh?
Oh, man.
Hi.
You good?
Yeah, man, I'm good.
Guys, good enough.
Guana?
You watch your sister for you.
No, watch
I'm going to sleep here watching pool.
Where you come from?
I'm going to pay the bills, you know worry about that. I pay every bill in your store. Light bill, water bill, food bill.
I talk to you already, no sister. Remember, I talk to you already.
Rent bill.
The little boy just too enough. I like him, but sister. What do you
So
say?
what going?
The weekend, give me a fight.
And that money I plan to go look for you.
No, sir. My friend them are good. Go, you know, have a one drink and talk about a couple stuff. That's it.
Oh, so your man there?
She not there.
Okay, yo, sometimes I want to come and see her. She don't understand that you, me want, me don't want she.
You know what I'm to her here, man. She don't like see her pretty day strive. She alone can strive.
You have out here, your friend go have a drink. So, I'll get backyard.
Don't for look fat though.
Yeah, man. Money, you know. So,
Thank you.
buy what you want.
I must have a PIN number already. They tell me the last time.
And then when you buy one, you buy it, you give them back the card. But no purchase more than what you cannot.
Okay. Thank you.
Alright. And tell the mom, say, this month bill pay, yeah?
Alright.
Okay, no problem.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you doing?
I'm doing fine.
Wow, it smells so sweet.
And I must see
You alone there?
No, my mother.
Which one should in her room?
Not sure.
So your brother.
I think they're on the road to work place. I don't want to. Like my mother or something.
Well, never get to hear from her last night. I'm just asleep early, so I say. And if I come see you, I could have managed to just call. I just want to see you in person. I did have to come over and see you.
You're good at things though.
Yeah, man. So anything for me, though?
What?
Anything for me?
Yeah. Yes. But in a room.
So can I do something to you in the morning?
Yeah.
So you look sad. Can I go to the family?
No, my friend that my girl name again, Keisha. Me and her up on the road. She want me to help her do something at the pharmacy. So I follow her.
Come on, the neighbor in her room.
No, not in there. I tell her I'm going to see you. I'm going busy. Let me get to her because she's so much. She takes it to one bar. you go?
What am I
Look how long you're not coming. Look how long you're not coming. No, look how long you do not come here and you feel like you want to come march in them house. Where you going? Where you going with jog?
No, I water me a catch.
Catch water, no water not enough to catch. Excuse. Come on, water.
I feel me house, you know.
Where are you?
Are you? You lose the stop. Yo.
Yo, you wanna chat to you?
Yo.
Here?
Oi.
You go on a new bolt here.
That's true.
How are you?
You might try to fix right here, sir.
That's because there's a thinking, so that's why the bolt can't get fixed. But true, so probably gonna need something to carry out the box, so.
Alright, you can come back next time and fix it.
Alright, no problem.
Yeah, because I need to start with a little boy. I need to fist him in the yak.
Yeah, man, no problem. You can't just come and want to fix it,
So
yeah?
that's what right there, so you walk.
Show me suppose there, so.
That's true.
So you cool them there?
Excuse.
And I come for look for the job.
Move.
If you want to get fixed.
Alright, we get move. Yeah. Move now! Let me tell you this. Don't interrupt. Hello. Do not interrupt me time I see me do things here.
We have come on that place.
You can't tell me that. The man a fix the door. What else I want?
Fix the door. Man a fix the door and kiss up on your jaw.
And I kiss him and kiss me. I tell him and tell me. I tell you something in my ears. Excuse.
Wait
Hold
there.
that. One full of water.
That's what wake you up to.
Wake me up. Oh. Me slap you in your face. You feel like say bad? Me older than you. Bright and face.
So yeah, take off from mommy.
Yeah, get too rank as your mommy
Yeah,
said.
take off mommy. You know, fling and say about the place like mommy.
Who you say fling and say about the place? Don't do it. Don't mix me and that woman. Don't mix me and her. You're bright.
Make me put him back on there.
What you gonna do? What you gonna do?
Yeah, chop off piece.
Boy, don't play with me. Here coming. Yo, don't play with me.
No, somewhere you go.
Go on my friggin' business. Go on.
Somewhere you go.
My phone.
Hurry up. Right now, you know where you're going like you want this my rich brother and la, you know. Where can money come here, you know.
Yes, me and the same.
Oh, because it's when him come back here. You know, someone give me a portion of hey, me have to swap me so I got to turn up. You know,
Me can't stop that.
Hey, they look a broke pocket boy. The boy not have money.
Let me tell you this now. Me can't stop that. Every money we feel like you want to collect from him, me can't stop because guess what? I'm my man. I'm my man. Me can't stop. Me can't make you not get no money.
You can't say I man nice place.
Me not carry man in that place.
Of course.
Me tell you say yes, me carry man in that place to fix the door.
You lie. That's a simple thing where simple somebody can fix.
You don't then here. I cannot do it because my hands are too tender and they're too nice and can't push. Me not put up my finger them, so I need somebody have the money,
But
so I pay them.
You say I'm man, I tell you say I'm man, I will spend your ears then, I'm no man, I know spend.
The man there, they always spend them. You have to tell him.
Who want I was going to go man?
Hello?
Go on, where you go?
No, for run me out of this, you know.
Nobody ready I go.
Don't run me out of this.
No.
You know what?
Yeah, sis. Come on, man.
See girl, I'll text you. Later, bye. Come back. Lift it.
Seriously. Girl, me I tell you. Me tell a man say me lonely and me stress out more while I need somebody in my life. All me I try, me can't find no good man. Single life is not mine, you know. I'm a good woman, me can wash, me can clean, and me can make love great, and me still single.
Mommy.
It just more. Stacy, my son is here, so I'll show you back. Just mommy.
Me not understand. More access
What's
something.
wrong?
More access
What's
something.
wrong?
More access something. How you feel have David, rich man, right? They with my sister, and yet you make him a kind of different man in our house, in the lap up in our room. I don't understand the part.
Oh, me fi make your sister.
So you make David and take your money, if your daughter, so your daughter can take your mind different money. So I'm telling you, she coming like you.
Listen to me. Get your facts straight. You see what the straight? No, me just show you something. Me not hurt you. I'm just showing you something. It's like how you see. It's like how you see the stick straight. Get your facts straight. That is new to me. Me make my daughter, which is your sister, I take David money, mine man. You see me make she I take man money, mine man.
Listen, I go in a room a while ago, right? And meanwhile I was coming. they were doing their thing, right? When me go up on the veranda, me hear some look nice, right? So me catch me and see here what is going on. Me and India go on it themselves. Me knock the door now. Me like she say, hide. So me go in the room now. And the man me see in the corner, so. Like the man I say, much I hide like me can't see, man. Me literally can't see one time upon the me. Then when me go closer now, them a go look like say them a fix door. And they not fix no door. So me want to know how she have man lock up in a room with and David I spend pan her and I give her so much money. Me not understand how that work.
Listen to me. Not everything is as beautiful as it seems. Suppose David not make her happy. Sometimes in a son, money cannot buy happiness. She have to know, and but first of all, me no give her no man. Me never know so she carry no man in my place. But why you never come call me?
But you
just
me
like
say,
you can come tell me your business.
Shh, me not telling nobody business, but it's not fair. Listen what me I say, right? Listen what me I say. Just listen what me I say. Me nah say, the part where you say yes, what if he not cheat her, right? Me understand about the part, but don't take man money and mine a different man. You would want fee man take fee money and mine a different woman. You would want that?
Son, let me ask you this question. How you know that Brittany I take the man money and mine the next man? How you know that? How you know that?
Listen.
How you know that?
Listen. Alright, in a relationship, right? Somebody have to go be the one if he go out there, get the money, bring in it. Or someone have to go do the way have to provide for the family. And I know so that the man there, he not work. Man look broke, he not working. So furthermore, Brittany I go take that the money there and I'm going to give that the man there. You know what?
Let me tell you this. Don't judge a book by the cover. It's the last time your father me see him in a jacket and tie. Tell me say my lawyer, my attorney at law, that tell the man a big so-called criminal.
Yeah,
do not judge. You can't look for the man and say the man broke.
Listen. You fall for it because you are a certified yamhead. Your mother but me not afraid to tell her you are a certified yamhead. You hear me tell her? You are a sweet.
Me a sweet.
Sweet, right? Sweet mean. In fact that, alright. If the man not drive, you don't want him.
This need
if the man don't have money, you don't want him. You're a certified yamhead. And you are a certified gold digger.
Don't do it.
You are an old gold digger.
Yeah, Jesus.
You know, like a man for who he is, you like a man for money. Because that the man say, just up in a jacket and tie and tuxedo and all them something and say, oh, me a big bank, this, me a big bank, that. You want him. You know, go for a man and say, we try work on a little hard working money and don't want to work on the side. You have to do, hey, lady, me have to say, hey, don't make me have, hey, I will slap, hey.
You look a bit mixed up and
feisty
and bright.
I will slap, hey, I will slap.
You look a bit too feisty. Go on there, some man.
I will slap the gravity out your mouth. Hey, me left you there. Me left you there.
But gold digger.
Hey.
Look how much man, look how much broke pocket boy dig my goal and left me. Look how much broke pocket boy dig my goal and left me.
You don't fling too much. Stop fling yourself. Hey, you say if you fling yourself.
Hey, yo, you're my
son. Yourself around the place, you'd have a better life. But you, hey, God gonna fix your business. Hey, you have to chat about blood of Jesus. You need some God in your soul.
You know me should not abort you.
Hey.
You know me should not abort you though.
You regret having you as a mother.
Hey.
You regret having you as a mother. You just wanna shit.
You come judge me.
Lady. You don't want me to leave your place. Hey.
You come judge me. Hey! No, me see what woman name belly. No, me see it. She.
What?
say I go on now. You know, say up on the road more go, but like come see you now. There's something more to you for a long time.
Oh.
See my sister in there. Say me catch her though. One day me come here. I'm here, so in my house. So I'm going, no man that me see him in there with man talk in a corner, so like say me not see him. Man, she had bring in my house. So imagine now what she had do with your money when I take it to her.
No man, I don't hear what you say. I don't hear what you say. Hold on. We just say a while ago.
No, me and say me catch my sister in your house with a man, and then the man come act like say a door my fix. He iron something on the door, he has and stuff. Go on like say I hit him a fix. I mean, no, say I hit him a fix. Me say a man in KAYNA place.
Young boy or old boy?
Any boy look broke too. Look like a thief. But I'm a young human. He kind of short and fat. But long time I want to learn a brother-in-law, but I true me not too there like that. You see me? Because see my sister and mommy, not too, boy, they move like a hypocrite too. Why they have to raise up mommy she, because why she don't know herself. And sister the next one too. After me I talk to him about him, I want to fight me out. Boy, some people are left more little place right now.
So hold on there. So your mother know about this one go on?
Me tell her about it, but she tell me say she not aware of it. She never know say
so,
that is that.
So my money come down. Me take my money. Your sister pay the rent. Everything, food, everything. And then have man I come there. After me I pay the rent there. You not tell them who maybe. You not come up, let's go check me with the friend now and see how we sit down and shop.
I tell them, but they not take it then. Since they don't know who you be, show them who you be. Because like say them, like say nah, can come in here so. Boy, you can't bring them to that family and you.
So if you're not there with fire, they can't remember say me the money when me again, you know. I have to keep a guy in the house, you know. If nobody are come there, you know. So it seems like you're on your job. Where you there? You're young, you know, for the idle. For the study. What you do?
Why? You know, say me mostly there, me father side of people them because I can't do, they don't like one time, so me up there. Or sometimes me there, me spend a couple of nights with my girlfriend because he live right beside my father live close by. So I'm not too there that one time.
Alright. I believe you. So yeah. But I didn't dare not get a thing for yourself. Thanks. We are going to listen to your mother, right?
Yeah, I can't go.
No, but that's good, man.
Alright.
That's good.
Who that? Who is that? Who?
David. Listen, Jane. Ramp here around with me. Jane, I really ramp here around with me. Eh? You tell me now. Tell me now. Joe, me tell you already. Me tell you already, I'm sure you are pretty. Say, me can't get with you too long. You're too old. And your daughter I'm interested in her. And yet, you give me a daughter and then stab me behind the back and take back a daughter and give to a young boy. I mean, you take my money and mine. Young boy. Eh? Really, Jane? Talk to me, Jane. Talk to me.
You don't talk. Huh? Anything else? Your things say here say work a court? Then the same thing they no work again. Where's the evidence in me give my daughter to young boy? Suppose a young boy she want. So I can't do about that. Me don't know about that. That new to me, Sir David. Money David. No come mix me.
Listen what me ask you now. Jane, listen. You might teach you something. You say, me can't get here, say. So you want to tell me say brother, you one flesh and blood. I tell lie, you know when brother see me from road and tell me. That man respect me now. Your son respect me from the very ground. Because I take care of him too. I give him money out of my pocket. So anything he know him, I come back and tell me. He not tell me lie. Why you don't want to tell me lie? Him boy say him come there. Go see, his sister there with boy, lock up. But him a fix lock. You don't know about that? You want to tell me you don't know about that?
As I said, this is new to me. And even if the same boy my son see him sister with man, that's not his business to find you, locate you and tell him sister business to you. Who is you? Is what? You want my son want you? Don't come in here about my daughter this and daughter that. Me no know about it. And if me even know about it, me still don't know about it. From there.
Alright, I'm going to show you the final one in Jane, because it's Santa Claus business I got done. You see any day named day, I see your daughter with whosoever your son say, can describe you now. You have to go left here. Me I make sure me buy out this place so you have to pack and leave here. You can't even touch nothing in here. So try hope say no. Cause you think this, you remember me tell you something? They say Santa Claus come once a year. But me there right through the year. As a good man, me there right through the year. And Santa Claus only come once a year. And me come here every day come buy food. Look how me make you look good. Look how you look young when you did old. Eh? Look how you look young.
We can't talk to you. Just have a seat. I want to talk to you.
No, listen.
No, have a seat. Have a seat. Just have a seat. And more you looking at me and tell me the honest truth. You think me, Mary Jane, woman like me would so wicked to you? Eh? Me remember kindness, but I never give my daughter a young boy, and I never do it. So even if she have a young boy, me say me don't know about it. Man, I never betray you and stab you in your back. As you say, you make me look good and I appreciate you. Me appreciate you, no, David. I'm not why I use my problem, then my cousin tell me to, not because they help me. The man that want work outside and need to know my business. You talk too loud.
Alright, you with me, you know. Me just want to feel what I want, you know. Me don't want to say, you know, or you don't know. When you don't know, I'm see with me two native yai them when God give me other two. You are go through the door and she fear school I got done. Cause since I didn't want to play with me I finance him, she and I make she go and hold her like a virgin till she 20. And me here say, you know, I'm going to take a leave.
All I do is stop financing and start finance me more. That's what you need to do.
Jane, I tell you say you're too old. I'm 25. You're 58. If I was 32, going 33, you would have a chance. But no, you can't have a chance. You go, Jane, you know what?
Young girl I want, young girl I shall get. What good?
So you think you're ready to talk to me now?
You know, so I'm pregnant.
Yo? You're pregnant who?
Pregnant. I don't know how I'll tell David this.
So for baby.
No more years. I didn't have sex since until me around 20, 23 that time there.
So how this go work out?
You
That
mean
me
how
wanna
this
know.
stuff? You have to find a way to work out. Because of your pitney.
sure I'm me alone here, right?
I am the only person.
So you can't get so aggressive for me.
Because of how you behave.
Alright then. You know me that trying youth. Yes, I mean, if you say I'm a youth, then I'm willing to take up a responsibility and do what I have to do. You see me? I stand out as a father, but I just want you to try your best to not make your brother, nor your mother, nor David to know say I'm a pregnant for.
Alright, I'm here. I'm trying my best.
So like you're pregnant, you want me, you can have something for this. You know, some love to eat
Look how me
24/7.
But look how me not feel good.
Don't worry about that. I will make you feel happy. Anytime you're sad, I will cheer you up. So don't worry about that. If you look next up, you put a smile on your face. Although you go feel pain. I will do something before your brother come and call me. I don't want to know.
Big man.
What's that?
Where did man?
Why?
Sleep though, you're comfortable.
You can't knock before you come in.
No free room, I free room, I can't come in and ready, I'm comfy on the bed.
Then go on your bed. We're interrupt with her.
Where man over here?
And your business that? Me always a customer the same thing. Me can't bother with it. Me sick and
I'm not telling you, I can't man in here. Don't get no man in here.
You
Me
can't
don't
tell me
want no man in
that?
here.
Upon your bed in there or my bed?
Man, you. You want some figure, man?
Yo, that's nice.
Come take him out now. So you with your man? Every day you come in with this friggin'
Hey,
drug.
I'll slap you. Hey.
Try me, not try me. Try me. No, try me.
Fire.
Try me. You try me.
You love your life?
If you learn from me,
You love your life, no?
Love my life, yes.
Yo, I'm telling you, I'm in a favor. Me put you out of this.
So when you
Yes, when you come in and ask me and your sister, you calm down yourself.
my man, that's
So sit down, listen and calm yourself.
right.
Alright. Yeah, general.
Stop touching me,
One
man.
man.
Yeah, general. Alright. Alright, Mr. Big Joe. Alright. Stay till me come back here. Don't move, fat boy. Don't move. Here, fat boy. Don't move. We soon come back. Don't move. Fat boy, don't move. Alright.
Lock the door.
I'm your brother.
I don't know where, man. Come back the line of the thing, cause him not know where. He full of motor. He not know.
See me?
Wait a minute. When man will say, there.
I'm coming up and see man right there, so.
Which man me there pregnant baby?
And she
I'm baby pick up a bed for the sleep. Me tired.
Go on, I'm sure. Go on,
Stop now.
Go on,
Move up, let the man show when man show it.
Go on, aye.
Yeah, deserve it.
Look, alright, you see internal.
Where you go? Where you go? Move your nasty this man, where you go?
Me want to know what go on in there. Me must have been
Alright,
Baby,
look.
nothing is going
Look,
on
brother-in-law.
here.
Me see man said so. And she said so. See her here. And the man said,
Come off my bed now, sir. Come off my bed now.
So,
and when we come in here, the man bad me up and jail me up.
That is
Like
a
you
lie.
and box me and
Look
throw
here,
me
nobody
away
not
so.
coming here. Just listen to me, baby. Don't worry yourself. I'm not cheap on you. Sleep, me just stay no sleep.
listen, my woman a virgin.
Virgin Mary.
But you,
Not
Yeah.
have no baby.
His marathon in, we tell him marathon in 20.
Exactly. Don't come
she
back
and
no
her
liar.
mother lied. Mommy is lied.
Ah, him a liar.
My mother but them a lied.
Look here, don't tell her
She want to live like mommy. She want to think herself like mommy.
Look here, I see him just here go sleep. And the boy, marching can disturb me, please.
Yo,
Hey.
Listen what me I say now. Listen, me understand enough. Not because me I give you money if you watch your sister. How more money you want, me can tell her for
I
your
know
sister.
that.
Hello.
I true.
So you give money for watch me, that means you simple don't trust me.
No, listen, baby.
You don't trust me. I'm gonna like
Me
this
don't want,
someday.
me don't want me I spend the money and then news that carry go around same way.
Here.
Me want him to watch you.
No.
I truth.
I wrong. Somebody this year make you send for watch me. Don't come skin up my face off for me like a smell shit in this.
You know what I do? You see, next time,
I got a video.
A money you want, a money you could
Alright,
dirty football, you have to get on the road, carry money
If
go
you
give.
them now, I'll show you tell me say I lie, me I tell you.
no, me don't want no video. Me want to see live directly. Cause video can cut and
Alright.
clip together. You
Are
can,
you? Yes, a workless man.
Don't call me man no workless man, that's
You
stink
don't
on
know-
face.
you don't know
thing.
workless.
Come out
You
here.
don't want to walk this
I'm gonna
alright.
have dirty foot.
You don't want to walk this alright.
me ask you first time, me money what this?
You know what money?
Alright, baby, go and walk us
Look
through,
at
yeah?
you. I need to on my bed too.
Listen,
Crosses, man.
listen, don't tell no more lie for your sister.
Let me tell you like him first.
Me,
If you stop that light palm, man, I don't like them style.
you need to sleep, not you, baby.
Me did not speak
You
on
know,
me
yeah.
here, so me have go to put me for rise up. Because I say, what?
Man, the man over there so
Me
hug
say, I
up.
must go, man, I
A draw
brought
about
people.
me. The man over there so hug up. And the man
So how me not come here see the man that's the thing?
the man good as you run out when you pull the girl coming in here.
Don't tell, don't lie, don't do it, don't tell no lie for me, don't lie people tell. Me don't like people tell lie for me, don't do it.
I'll talk to
Don't
them.
like it.
Gonna
I'm
fix
gonna
your
go
business.
ball.
We talk to you if you watch your sister because you know that
Alright,
you
you go see one day. You go see somebody right. You know say me you just to be this to that to me.
It's a more ball, don't like people tell
You
lie
go catch you
for
on
me.
some money. Yeah, but I go jump out. Alright.
Alright.
Yeah, bad. Yeah, wicked. Boy.
Alright, later.
Boy, your mother is a cougar. Boy.
Yeah, but I'm in lucky door. Alright, later here. See you? You see you? I did that one next time. Don't worry yourself about that. Don't worry yourself. Don't. Boy, don't say nothing to me.
Make you want to go.
Who you? Come on. What mean by Who you?
Come on. Listen up, I'm
Who
on
you?
a robbery. Me and your daughter boyfriend.
My daughter boyfriend.
Yes, Brittany.
What? Brittany! Brittany!
Yes, mommy.
Out here now!
What you want?
Oh, what is? Come on, come here.
Me man.
Brittany,
What?
what mean by your man? Not because me give her permission to talk to David. You think say you're a big woman, you still underneath my roof.
Me alone can't spend so much money with David and give me something I have to use it for him too.
What is not this?
But it's not this.
So you think you're big now?
So me not big and I say me, look. And I say me big. Look at you. Don't do it. Me alone can't spend as much money, so I spend it for my man. Me find different man. Look here, David alone can't please me.
You don't need to be talking to me like that. I understand I am not the best mom, but I'm trying.
You're not
You
trying.
don't need to be like me. You can be different.
No, I am a friend, so. How you come from?
You want to be a man. I'm not fixing the family issue.
Alright, later, come with me.
Oh, boyfriend. He meant I'll take your money, man. I don't want to road.
Don't worry yourself.
Stupid.
No worry yourself, brother. How long as I buy money, man? You say,
Take the money and save towards college, but you're mine, man.
Put out some more and go to college.
You're lucky.
And you lucky. If
You're lucky.
Look here, lady. Please, come out to my business.
It's okay, no, Brittany. It's okay. You see? All along your brother was right. Me see you that's somebody, but you're worse than him.
Who is you to call nobody? Look here.
Your mother.
You're worse than me.
Shut up.
Don't tell me now. I'm not busy for my mother. Don't raise the myself for me. Cockroach are gonna cock fair. Move from here, so. Bright.
According to the Bible, obey your parents so your days can belong. Obey me.
Look here, what the Bible say? If you listen to your pig, when a pig you're gonna bat it all, if you dive, you're gonna eat with him too. So that's nice. Excuse you, bye.
Right, why are they going to go?
Hello. I couldn't even tell me how like to be a problem to you. Don't do it. Bright. Otada.
Miss sorry, the day I'm going to go pregnancy. Miss
No,
sorry.
Jesus. You're going to stay there and keep on sorry. Because I'm me a sorry. You are sorry.
What is? Go on there, so.
Don't touch me.
Go on there, so.
You still love me?
Yeah, but it's not gonna be a problem, man.
No matter what, I love you. You're my only son. Okay?
Yeah,
I will always love you.
yeah.
Mother.
What was him to Jamaican?
Good night. Good evening, Brittany. Some to confess. We can't look in your face when I say it. So. You hear me? Promise you're not gonna judge me. And, you know, you're gonna judge me?
I don't know. Let's see.
Well, me nobody want to tell them. You have a promise me say you're not gonna judge me.
I promise that I'm gonna listen to what you have to say and see from there.
I'm pregnant.
Okay. Congrats.
So that officer? What kind of mother you be? We tell us we're pregnant. Okay. Congrats. What kind of mother you be?
Brittany,
What?
what do you expect? Anyways, I'm glad. Said David finally get pregnant. Fantastic news.
Him could wait till I reach 20. Thank you, Jesus. What a dream come true. Money I go run now, girl. Money I go run.
Yeah, man, I go run.
Stay happy.
Happy, yes. This one just a burden, you know? No. Yeah.
So, how far along are you in the pregnancy?
1 month. 1 month.
So you feel? You feel happy?
Let me say so.
You never ready?
No, I'm never ready.
Expect anybody?
No. Oh. Hi.
Good night.
Good night.
Night, no time. Good night, Mr. Informer.
Man, move, man.
Hey, what you kick him for? Mommy talk to the boy and I come in over butter bruise him in the hair, you know.
I need peace.
Always.
Peace.
Mommy, see me this in front of you, see me? They don't respect you, bro.
You don't respect me? Your time will come.
What a big happy family reunion. Call her for your wife, yeah.
I'm going to tell you.
Wife.
Brittany, now my class are grown. You have a room inside there.
Mommy, mind your business, please. I want to do the son.
Yes, baby. Listen. Yeah, man, I can't forward over now. The right time to forward over. Alright, where am come?
No, I'm not complaining. I have no woman.
Wait, you're school, see? No, Mommy, me have a surprise, see? Yeah.
I would have.
Hear that? Life good.
No Muslim girl.
No Muslim girl.
No, I want to see the girl.
You want to see the girl now?
I mean, I'm going to know, do you really eat the food and give me one?
Eat.
I'm hungry.
Oh, eat. Oh, baby, no. Oh, dear.
Hi.
Sister.
Hi, David. Oh, my God.
So,
It's really
why-
nice to see you.
you call me a while ago for the phone. So,
Yes.
No.
Hey boy, you know, say I want him from.
Hey, come here now.
See, man, I am this. The boy.
Not right now.
The man. I am man.
We are talk, bro.
I'm mad, Lisa.
Yes,
No.
I the one day.
No,
Me,
it's
I the one
not
day.
my man.
Listen,
Stop now. Sit down now, man. I feel like foolishness, brother.
My brother and I this. I think I can.
Boy, stop the man, try stop man food.
Sit down now, man.
You can this brother and I.
so what I'm saying?
Brother and I, bad man. I hear. Play brother and I, you see.
You don't know me, you know. But me, I go clarify myself to you. Ask somebody about me. I am a long lost cousin. So are you the I must love my woman.
Me and him don't have nothing. We are friends.
We are not.
Mom, you
friends,
talk.
we're
Talk to him
together.
now. Put him on that side now, man.
I don't feel
So, David, don't worry about this man. Welcome officially to this family. She's
Wait.
pregnant for you. Pregnant, finally.
That's something we
I want a grandson. Grandson in the place with the football in.
Jim, you realize what you said to me right now?
She pregnant.
Yo, something on a hypocrite, you know?
For who?
Tell the man the truth, now.
What truth?
For who?
Tell the man, say, I know.
Jim, what you say she do?
You have impregnated my own daughter at age 17. Congrats.
Let me talk to you. Can I
No,
talk to you?
Jim, me tell her, say, I want a daughter when the daughter at 20. Jim, I think your daughter is still a virgin. What you mean by me impregnated daughter? Me and your daughter never sleep.
I don't know.
Jim, a Virgin Mary.
This is so wonderful.
No confess.
Kamu? So I'm a David Peter Cherry. Ama can you
I
say?
don't mark your name.
Call him Big Joe, big fat boy. Call him so big baby boy.
I'm pregnant for.
Look over and tell him.
This camera from the boy, yeah?
Listen,
No, come here.
listen. It don't like us.
Don't touch my son. Don't
It's
eat.
your candle.
Not the place, not the time.
Take a video of him.
Relax, son, relax.
Mommy, you
Relax.
have to relax. You can't tell me you can't make your
Don't, hey,
don't make someone touch my man, right?
Yeah, man.
Listen,
I want to pregnant me beating at this.
listen.
Yeah, the sitting to be standing beside this man about your man.
Get the things.
Leave me alone.
Get the things.
No, we need to start
One
out
more.
this
Get
first.
the
Oh.
things
We
there.
need to start out this first.
I'm the man that paid the bill here. So you know what? There's no thing to start out right here. You see, by a morning,
Yeah.
when you pack the bag, I'm not a fact from tonight. When you go and take up the bag, don't take up nothing from out here.
What
No worries. You might get the front of I'm buying this place.
Alright.
So you're going to have to leave here. You and your mother and your so-called baby father look like in that you have dollar in your pocket right now.
When the child born,
Yeah,
the child can come stay with him nephew,
Get the things.
with him uncle, sorry.
Jane, you look like you're pan crack. Jane, we feel like you're really the pan crack. Jane, you have to more coke.
So you mean say you kick me out?
Jane, I tell you, said if you didn't hide anything from me,
Two brother,
you
fat
get
boy.
that.
Two brother.
If your son never called me since night, we will see children. Trying to go out to the door and me I pay this bill. You have my money and my man. You know, around me and my brother, I watch you. Good.
You see?
Farmers.
Come out!
Leave me man alone.
Leave the man alone. Come out!
Leave me man alone.
Take off the door.
What? Shut him now. Come.
Wanna take this thing for you know me? Me fighting at this thing. Leave him alone. Leave him. Come here. You give me this. Let it go. You know me? Don't peel me here. Don't peel me. I'm not gonna no man. I don't care. And you put me in a situation here.
Did I open your legs, Brittany?
Come on.
Eh? Did I open your legs?
Me not
It's about
care.
choices.
I don't care.
Your days shall be bitter. Trust me.
Don't play with me.
Go on.
How can you carry rich man things that you never want to know?
Man, where?
At least I got your chance.
Shut up.
They choose to my man.
Hate you.
I hate you more. I should have abandoned you. Disgusting.
Again.
Tell them about Pitney.
Take off your wig.
Little commando.
Take off your wig and your clothes and I'll go on.
Yeah.
The wig come like you have years and I wash it. Hurry up, go.
Hey.
Go on. Yeah. Put out the mother. Right.
I don't want to push on the dirty and frownsy.
Oi,
I
my
don't want it.
Give me. Thief. Thief like your mother. No, your mother. When they? Your mom did. Now put him on.
No, come on. Go on also. Your man, go on. Hey, come here. Come here, James. Come here. This is part of the property.
One last spoon, please.
Take the last spoon, okay. Come. One last spoon, Jane. One last spoon. You should have put a mat the wig in your ball to water and soap.
You have reached to the end of the movie. As I said, if you didn't come in, like, comment, and share as what she also said too. Please do that. What are you waiting for?
Guys, thank you for watching, right? We reached to the end of the movie. Leave a comment under and tell us if you like it. We'll see what I go on, alright?